today we are going to take, what are you going to do, by the way? Tell us, but please be loud, because I don't want to say what I even I don't know.
It's a boat, a sailing boat. So we are going to the Fort Jesus. We see the Fort Jesus.
Wow.
Built by Vasco da Gama. And we see some good restaurants, some great hotels that we have in our island. See some old bridge, old port, some fish markets.
Are we going to eat something along the way?
We're going to have dinner, like salty food,
and also the sunset.
And the sunset.
Wow, we're going to see all that in this video, so keep watching until the end. Don't go anywhere. Thank you so much. What is the boat called?
Queen Nasha.
Queen Nasha. And how much does it cost to do all the activities?
It's like,
you don't know?
15K.
15K?
Yeah,
per
that's
trip.
only sunset cruise.
Do you leave room for bargaining? Is there room for bargaining? So you have got all the information you wanted to know about this boat. So let's go enjoy, have some fun. Later we're going to grab something to eat. Don't go anywhere, keep watching until the end. Are we even recording? Yes, we are recording, so let's go. Alright, we got on the boat and then we started sailing around the ocean, and oh my goodness, they take you through the history of these buildings, how old they are. I never wanted to record, I never wanted to share the same audio from the boat because of the wind that was blowing from the ocean, and also the music which was played on the boat, because I don't want us to fall into copyright issues because we might lose our channel. But the boat was so, the breeze from the ocean was really so soothing, if I might say soothing. But I enjoyed everything from this boat. Everyone was so happy. You know, this is so different from what I've been getting. I hope you're also enjoying what is happening. But they give you, oh my goodness, these houses are like 100 years old. 100 years old. Some of the houses which were built on the shores of this ocean. Along the way, they stop somewhere at the beach where you can go and have a swim, and also like meet other people around, have a chat, ask them what they do around this place. But it was so different. I hope you're enjoying this journey, you're enjoying everything. This is me getting ready for the boat. You might ask yourself why you don't hear anything from the boat, because why you don't hear explanations, because of the music which was played, and I was trying to avoid it. That's why I'm doing the voiceover. I personally don't want to do the voiceovers, but today I have to do this. But I fell into the water and everything felt so different. The water is so salty. I even wanted to run away from the water, but I had to enjoy the moment. The water was so salty. It had that, like, you could feel it was so heavy. The saltness makes it so heavy. The water was, I even don't know the right word to use, but it was so heavy. Everything was so salty. I tried to taste it, and coming out of this boat, I felt like my body was covered into salt. And even when it dried, I could lick the salt, even see some of the salts from my ears, from my body, but it was different. So the experience was so different. I loved everything from this side. So this is one of the experiences you're going to get when you book the African food trail. These ladies give you the full experience of Mombasa. If you watch the first video, you have got the street food experience during Ramadan, and even after Ramadan, things become so different where it goes back to normal. You find food everywhere, people are so coming, everyone is happy to see you and wants you to sit at their place and enjoy some of the free foods. After swimming, the sailing continues, where you enjoy the journey, you enjoy the breeze from the sea, as they explain everything you need to know about this journey. So this is what you're watching right now, is what they call Fort Jesus. We couldn't go inside, but next time when we go back, we'll do a full tour. Also other buildings around. as you're watching. But please enjoy and let us know what you think about this journey in the comment section. What you think about this. It's a full of life. And what you're looking at is a boat that goes straight to India. The boat used for trading from India, coming back, also going back. And also some of the things you're going to see in this video is you're going to see the sunset from the boat, everything from the boat. If you're Muslim, you can even have some time and have time for prayer. But everything was so good, so good. We enjoyed everything as you're watching in the video.
Hello, eating the African way. We are here on an authentic Swahili dhow, and we're about to have dinner on a Swahili dhow. But this experience doesn't just entail dinner. You start at about 4:30 p.m. where you enjoy a nice warm swim in the Indian Ocean, sailing across the channel on the opposite side towards English Point Marina, where you'll get to swim. And then after that, you'll enjoy some nice Swahili coffee and a barbecued seafood dinner. Karibu sana.
We came to a local dock nearby, and we saw this very beautiful boat. When we got on, the staff was amazing. They took us to a spot to go swim. The water feels like a warm blanket that just hugs you. It's so nice, so refreshing, highly recommend. And if possible, you can do a beach bath. And we have had a few starters that was provided to us by our local chefs. It was amazing. And now we have some stuff on the grill. I don't know. I'm excited to see what it is. I don't know if I've tried it before. And I'm hoping to do some more swimming at night and see the moon, because we've heard it's a full moon tonight. So I'm excited to see what continues on. Yeah.
Habari. We are on a boat in Mombasa, Kenya. And initially I thought we were going on a fishing boat from the dock, but then we found this lovely boat with flowers and pillows, and it's like a sailboat. And we are eating falafel, traditional potatoes, and Swahili spiced coffee, and it's been a wonderful experience. We also have been swimming and just enjoying ourselves.
Our journey continues where we get some time and enjoy coconut water to refresh. Hope you're also enjoying this video. And also, most of the foods which are going to be prepared or from what you choose. But I think this is what most of the guys wanted from this boat. I don't know, but me, I eat everything I find on the way. But there's octopus, squid, prawn, lobster, and other foods as you've been watching or as you're going to watch. But the most important thing, everything is prepared on the boat. Everything is roasted on the boat. Everything is grilled on the boat. Everything is cooked on the boat. Everything is prepared on the boat. You get the experience. If you want to be part of the cooking, you can also join the chefs and be part of this. Imagine all this. Imagine all this. If you want more information, check in the description box of this video. Reach out these people. I'm sure you're not going to be disappointed.
Okay guys, dinner is served, and I would like to introduce what we're eating. So on this plate we have kingfish and some grilled prawns, calamari and octopus. So this is a Swahili vegetable curry. So it has okra, it has potatoes, it has aubergines, and it's cooked in like a tomato curry. And these are like Swahili naan breads, but we don't call them naan breads, we call them katiofuta, which means sesame bread. So they're made with flour, yeast, sesame seeds, and then we have coconut rice, lobster on the other side, and kingfish with prawns again. So feel free, dig in and enjoy your dinner. Thank you.
What was this?
So this, yeah. Then you can, pardon?
Oh, what was that again?
So then I didn't introduce the sauces. So this is a mint red pepper sauce. Yeah.
Were you in the back as well?
And then we also have garlic butter. Yeah, in the tiny cup, coffee cup.
The most disappointing part of this journey is the person I gave the camera to record me eating. He didn't press record, but he was so happy looking at me, like eating the food for the first time, giving my thoughts about the food, but he forgot to record. He forgot to record. And after like everything was done, I checked through the footage and I couldn't find myself eating. Imagine how the situation was. Next time we'll do better. Next time we'll make sure everything is recorded. For today, please forgive me.
Muevale, afuyo mate, asante.
Okay, my beautiful people. Whenever you're ready, your desserts are ready. What you eat here, you shower here, you swim, you snorkel, you get back, we eat, we sleep. This is transformed into like a whole.
Whoa.
And you have like a mosquito net.
You can sleep here? That'd be so fun.
That would be
That'd be so fun.
And you go all the way to the north for 2 days.
wow.
Whoa.
Let's book tonight.
When you're ready.